Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set time on Tesla Model Y. First, let's get started by accessing the main controls. On your Tesla's large touchscreen, simply tap the Controls icon. From there, you'll want to select Display to find all the time and date settings. Remember, it's always best to do this while your vehicle is safely in park. This ensures you can focus without distraction. Your Tesla is designed to be smart, and that includes its clock. Most Model Y vehicles automatically synchronize their time using GPS signals. This means you usually don't have to worry about manual adjustments, as it keeps the time precise. Just make sure the Set Time Automatically option is toggled on within the display settings for seamless operation. If you prefer to set the time yourself, or if you're in an area with unique time requirements, you can disable the automatic sync. This allows you to manually adjust the time. Don't forget to select your correct time zone from the available options. Also, for areas observing it, ensure automatic daylight saving is enabled to handle those seasonal shifts effortlessly. Sometimes, despite all settings being correct, you might notice a slight discrepancy. A simple soft reset of your Tesla's system can often resolve minor time display issues. Also, confirm your vehicle has a strong GPS signal, as this is crucial for automatic time synchronization. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.